Hello everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make Kiwi browser your default browser on Android phone. But before then, you may be asking, like, why do you have to make Kiwi browser your default browser? First, it is to reduce stress. It saves you from the stress of having to browse on Kiwi browser daily for some minutes, maybe like 12 to 20 minutes, before going further to validate your data on 5 billion sales. And again, you won't have to panic, you just have to search the web as usual, and in essence you're just going to be changing your default browser from Chrome, to Kiwi browser, while you browse on the go just as you do on a daily. Okay, so kindly click on the subscribe button for more videos on 5 billion sales, guaranteed sales, and how to make more money on 5 billion sales. So let's get started. Before you make Kiwi browser your default browser, all you have to do is to click on your settings, the settings on your phone. Here is my setting. Okay, you click on your setting, and from there you'll be taken to this page. Then you click on apps and notifications. When you click on apps and notification, then you scroll up, you will get default app. Then you click on default app. All right, so to make Kiwi browser, when you click on default app, then you click on browser app. Okay, so you can see, before my browser app, my default browser was on Chrome. Okay, so it's on Chrome. So if your default browser is Chrome, that means all of your searches, whatever thing you search on your phone, whatever thing you browse on your phone, will be done on Chrome browser. But when you make Kiwi browser your default browser, that means every other thing you are going to be browsing on your phone will be done on Kiwi browser. Okay, so the essence of this is that you don't have to stress yourself to then browse on Kiwi before going to validate your data. But when you make Kiwi browser your default browser, all you have to do is to just search the web just as usual as you do on a daily, and then go ahead and validate your data on 5 billion sales. Okay, so that's all about making Kiwi browser your default browser. Share this with your downlines, share this in your group, share this in your WhatsApp and Telegram group, and let all of your downlines make Kiwi browser their default browser, because you wouldn't like to have difficulties when it's time for you to withdraw your earnings by August 25th. Okay, so let's do everything accordingly. Some people, just whenever they want to validate, what they do is just go on, log in, and then validate without even browsing on Kiwi browser, without making any search. You're not browsing anything like. So what exactly are you being paid for? You are being paid for browsing. So if you're not browsing and all you do is validate, sorry, you may have great challenges when it comes to withdrawal. Okay, so to avoid that, all you have to do is to make Kiwi browser your default browser. And that's all for this video. Till we see in the next video. Bye.